everyone, welcome to the 1000 MCQ series of Pharmacist, Analyst and Drug Inspector Examination. This is our exclusive course for Kerala Analyst Grade 2 Examination. So let's get ready to crack the exam. Starting with the first question of the day, Interstate Agreement is made for the constitution of. Is it Central Council, Joint State Pharmacy Council, State Pharmacy Council or none of the above? So the interstate agreement is mainly made for the constitution of Joint State Pharmacy Council. This is mainly done when there is no resources or there are less resources so as to establish own individual councils. So they will form Joint State Pharmacy Councils. So the answer for this question is option B, Joint State Pharmacy Council. Coming to the next question. Pyridine is more basic than pyrrole. This is due to which of the following fact? The lone pair of electrons on nitrogen in pyrrole is localized, or lone pair of electrons on nitrogen in pyridine is localized. Nitrogen of pyrrole has one hydrogen atom attached to it, while pyridine does not have any. Pyridine has 3 double bonds, while pyrrole has only 2. Yes, here we should note that basicity in this particular concept, it refers to the availability of nitrogen's lone pair of electrons. Right? So this will help the nitrogen to attach or accept the proton. Now here in pyridine, the lone pair of electrons will reside in the sp2 orbital, which is perpendicular to the pi system of the ring. Now this means that the lone pair is readily available to accept the proton. So the pyridine will be a relatively good base. Now coming to pyrrole, the lone pair is on the nitrogen, which is delocalized into the pi system. So because there is inavailability or less availability of lone pair of electrons, there will be less availability to accept the proton. This is the case of pyrrole. So the correct answer for this question is lone pair of electrons in N in pyridine, nitrogen in pyridine is localized. That is option B. Now coming to the next question. Following are the desirable properties of the liquid phase used in GLC except for one of the following. Identify that. It should be inert to the analytes. It should have high viscosity at operating temperature. It should have low vapor pressure at the operating temperature, or it should have high resolving power. So in GLC, that is gas liquid chromatography, the liquid phase, that is a stationary phase, is very much important, right? So inert, it should be inert to analyze. Yes, it should be inert. It should have low vapor pressure at the operating temperature. Yes, it should have high resolution resolving power. Yes, high viscosity at operating temperature. No, this can hinder the separation process, right? So the correct answer for this particular question is it should have high viscosity at operating temperatures. So this can sometimes hinder the separation process. Now, in HPLC analysis, what type of column would you prefer? A column with high HETP, that is height equivalent to theoretical plate, and high number of plates. A column with low HETP and low number of plates. A column with high HETP and low number of plates, or a column with low HETP and high number of plates. Yes, here HPLC. What is HPLC? That is high performance liquid chromatography. Now the goal is to achieve separation. So HETP, that is height equivalent to theoretical plate. So this is a measure of the column efficiency. Now next one is the number of plates. Now this represents the theoretical number of equilibrium plates or the equilibrium stages which is present in the column. So the correct answer for this question is it should have low HETP and high number of plates. That is option D. Which of the following is an example of heteropolysaccharide? Mucopolysaccharides, lipoproteins, phospholipids, or all of these? Heteropolysaccharides means polysaccharide which is composed of 2 or more different types of monosaccharides. Now, mucopolysaccharides. So here it is a complex carbohydrate which contains amino sugar and uronic acid. Coming to lipoprotein, it consists of lipids and proteins, but they are not polysaccharides. Now coming to phospholipid, this also contains lipid with phosphate group, but here also they are not polysaccharides. So in the question they have asked heteropolysaccharides. So what will be the answer? It is mucopolysaccharide, option A. Now beta-carboline ring is present in hemitin, riboflavin, diserpidin or D-tubocrarin. Yes, this is the structure of beta-carboline as you can see here. So these are the structure of the various drugs, that is hemitin, this is the structure of riboflavin, this is the structure of diserpidin and this is the structure of D-tubocrarin. So the correct answer for this question will be option C, that is diserpidin. Now, dimethicone is the other name of, is it titanium dioxide, calamine, zinc stearate or silicon oil? So dimethicone is a type of silicon oil. It has two main purposes in pharmaceutical as well as cosmetic. They are mainly used as anti-foaming agents, skin protectant and moisturizing ingredients. So the correct answer for this question is option D, that is silicon oil. Now let's see the next question. Melatonin agonist is it chloral hydrate, zolpidem, ramiltion or trazodone? Yes, ramiltion is the melatonin receptor agonist. So mainly this is used for the primary treatment of insomnia, particularly the upset sleep or apneic sleep. Now it works by mimicking the effect of natural melatonin, which is a hormone responsible for controlling the sleep-wake cycle. So here the answer is option C. Coming to the next question. Which of the following is non-benzodiazepine derivative? Is it midazolam, zolpidem, alprazolam or triazolam? Yes, the answer is zolpidem. Zolpidem is a non-benzodiazepine hypnotic agent. So this is mainly used for what? For the primary treatment or short-term treatment of insomnia. So although it is chemically distinct from benzodiazepine, but it acts on the GABA receptor on the brain and it can produce the same or similar effect. So here the answer is option B, that is zolpidem. Coming to the next question. Demoxepam is a metabolite of, is it flurazepam, midazolam, chlordiazepoxide or trazepam? Yes, demoxepam is a metabolite of chlordiazepoxide. Now, this chlordiazepoxide is a benzodiazepine category of drug. This is mainly for treating anxiety disorders, alcohol withdrawal syndrome and muscle spasms, right? So, the answer for this particular question will be option C. This is our exclusive course for Kerala Analyst Grade examination. So, let's get ready to crack the exam. Hope you enjoy the video. Thank you so much.